Hello everybody, welcome back to my introduction to Bash scripting video series. In this video we are going to cover the Bash variables and how to create one. So if I go back to my terminal, as you can see I still have my sh file, and again using your favorite text editor you can open the file, and in order to create a variable all you need to do is first specify the name of the variable followed by the value of the variable. Then to echo out the variable, you just need to use the $, and then you can wrap the variable around curly bracelets and then put the name of the variable. If you save that and exit and then run the script, sure enough, we can see the value of the variable displayed in there. You can do the same thing directly in your terminal. So if we define a variable called name again, and then echo out the variable. Actually, you don't always need to put the curly bracelets, but it's considered a good practice. Another thing you need to keep in mind is that the Bash variables do not have data types, so a variable can contain numbers and characters as well. Another important thing that I would like to point out is the fact that you should not add a space between the equal sign and the name of the variable, otherwise it will not work, as you can see here. And this is pretty much it for this video. This is how you can declare a variable and then echo it out. I hope you find this useful, and if so, make sure to click the subscribe button. In the next video, we are going to go through some user input in Bash. Thank you, and I'll see you next.